Enabling or disabling magnification shortcuts on the Galaxy S24 allows users to quickly zoom in on-screen content for better visibility and accessibility. This is how it's done. To begin, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the Settings icon to access your device settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and select Accessibility. From the Accessibility menu, tap on Vision Enhancements. Next, scroll down until you find Magnification and tap on it. Inside the Magnification menu, tap on Magnification Shortcut. Use the toggle switch to enable or disable the shortcut. When enabling it, you may be prompted to turn off one-handed mode. Go ahead and disable that if required. You'll see options to choose your preferred shortcut method. There are 4 options available. Tap Accessibility button, press side, and volume up buttons. Press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds, and triple tap screen. Let's quickly go over each method. For Tap Accessibility button, tap the checkbox to activate it. Once enabled, you'll notice an icon resembling a small figure appear on your navigation bar. Tap this icon to open the Magnification menu, where you can activate the magnification window. You can drag the window around the screen by holding the handle in the bottom corner. Next, for the press side and volume up buttons, enable the option by tapping its radio button. To use this shortcut, press the side and volume up buttons simultaneously. A menu will appear, allowing you to activate or deactivate magnification. The press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds option works a bit differently. Once enabled, you can press and hold these buttons to bring up the magnification menu. Lastly, you have the triple tap screen option. Once activated, simply triple tap anywhere on the screen to enable or disable magnification instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and customize the magnification shortcuts on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.